School taught you how to get a job. It didn't teach you how to stop needing that job. If you're earning money but still feel stuck, credit card balances creeping up, savings not moving, and one unexpected expense could wreck your month, this video is for you. Because escaping the rat race isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about learning a few rules that school never taught you. Rules that decide whether your money stays or disappears the second you get paid. Let's redefine what the rat race actually is. The rat race isn't a 9-to-5. The real rat race is living with zero margin, where almost every dollar you earn is already promised to rent or mortgage, car payments, subscriptions, debt, and lifestyle costs. That's why two people can make the same income and one feels calm while the other feels trapped. Most people think the escape is make more money, but the real escape starts with one number. Here it is. Your life doesn't change when money arrives. It changes when money stays. So the most important formula is this. Margin equals income minus expenses. Not your salary, not your job title, not your hustle. Margin. If your margin is near zero, you're stuck, even if you make a high income. And if your margin is strong, you have options, even if you're average income. Here's the first thing to do this week. For the next 7 days, track spending in 5 simple buckets: housing, food, transportation, subscriptions, and everything else. No guilt, no shame, just data. Because you can't escape a trap you refuse to look at. Now, awareness is step 1, but awareness doesn't free you. Systems do. Escaping the rat race is not motivation, it's systems. And I want to give you 3 systems that work for almost anyone in the US at almost any income level. System number 1, pay yourself first automatically. Most people try to save whatever is left over, but if you wait until the end of the month, there's never anything left. So flip it. The moment you get paid, automatically move a percentage into savings or investing before you can spend it. Even if it's small, $25, $50, $100, automation beats willpower. The goal is to create margin without having to be in a perfect mood every day. System number 2, build an emergency fund, the stress destroyer. Without an emergency fund, every surprise becomes debt. A car repair becomes a credit card balance. A medical bill becomes a financial spiral. A job change becomes panic. Start with a starter buffer first, even if it's just a few $100s. Then build toward 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, stored somewhere safe and boring, like a high-yield savings account. This is what turns emergencies from disasters into inconveniences. System number 3, stop the debt leak. If you're carrying high-interest credit card debt, you're trying to build a house while your foundation is collapsing. Because credit card interest doesn't just slow you down, it quietly steals your future options. Pick one debt payoff plan and commit to it. Either highest interest first, which wins mathematically, or smallest balance first, which wins psychologically. Both work. The key is consistency. The worst plan is changing strategies every month and never finishing what you started. So now you have the framework. Create margin, protect margin, and stop the leak. But there's a reason smart people still lose with money. Because money isn't just math, it's psychology. Your brain is wired to want rewards now instead of later. It's wired to copy what other people are doing, and it's wired to avoid uncomfortable numbers. That's why people overspend even when they know better. So here's one rule that breaks the cycle. Before any lifestyle upgrade, wait 48 hours and ask yourself, am I buying this because I'll truly use it or because I want to feel caught up? Because the rat race is often spending money to look successful instead of building the freedom that actually feels successful. And once you've created margin, this is where the escape accelerates. Here's the boring truth. Cutting expenses creates breathing room, but increasing your skills raises your ceiling. In the US, the safest long-term play is usually some mix of 1, growing income through higher value skills, better roles, or a realistic side income, and 2, investing your margin through simple, proven tools. That might mean a 401k match if you have it, a Roth IRA if you qualify, and diversified index funds if you want a straightforward approach. Nothing flashy, no guru magic, just real. So let's recap the entire escape plan in 4 lines. Number 1, track your margin, income minus expenses. Number 2, install systems. Pay yourself first, build an emergency fund, and commit to a debt plan. Number 3, beat the psychology, especially lifestyle inflation and impulse spending. Number 4, raise your income with real value and invest the difference. If you want, comment ESCAPE and I'll reply with a simple 7-day checklist to get started. And if you want more videos like this, saving, debt, investing, and building real freedom, subscribe.